and welcome back to the Whale Trains video, and I'm going to show you Mallard, the blue engine. So this train conductor room, this train conductor room, the new version, and the train and the railroad version. But the Mallard ran the flying camper today.
Aku akan sentiasa jaga kau. Bila nampak nyamuk berpandang sasar, jangan dipukul. Aku nak kawan kau berdua, hero nyamuk. Iya, betul. Nampaknya aku boleh terus tinggal di sini dan jadikan ini pangkalan hero nyamuk.
Hero nyamuk ada cakap lagi.
Aku ada cakap apa lagi?
Tak tahu. Hero nyamuk suruh orang bersihkan kawasan rumah. Jangan ada tapungan air. Jadi, nyamuk pun tak boleh berbiak. Betul. Tak tahu. Hero nyamuk cakap. Hero nyamuk kawan akak juga.
Mallard, coal tender, fuel tender. What a lovely day! Girl has rebuilt from a fortress. Union Pacific flag color.
Jadi, jika masuk program ni, dah tak ada orang yang kena demam tinggi. Kampung dunia runtuh dan berjaya mencapai sifar tinggi.
Wow! Nice fruit! Wow! That's from a garden! Whoa! It's very dark. Nice! Hop on board! Full steam ahead! Bye-bye, Granny! See you later! Mallard driver and Doriana. It's Mallard. It's train. Mallard's train go choo choo choo. Choo choo choo. Choo choo choo. Mallard's train go choo choo choo. All day long. And the beacons on the train go. Look. And the Mallards on the train go. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. Puff, puff, puff. And the Mallards on the train go puff, puff, puff. All day long. One more time. Let's go. And the pigs on the train go oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. And the pigs on the train go oink, oink, oink. All day